Nigeria joined the rest of the world to commemorate the 2025 World Food Safety Day. The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare has reaffirmed its commitment to protecting public health through science-driven reforms in the nation's food systems. Speaking during a press briefing in Abuja, the Permanent Secretary to the Ministry, Daju Kachollom, emphasized that the 2025 theme, Food Safety Science in Action, reflects the nation's resolve to leverage cutting-edge research and innovation to strengthen food safety measures from farm to table. Our correspondent has more details on this story.
World Food Safety Day, celebrated every June 7th globally, aims to raise awareness and inspire action to help prevent, detect, and manage foodborne risks. This year's celebration marks a renewed national focus on science-based policy making and cross-sector collaboration to safeguard the health of Nigerians. The federal government, through the Ministry of Health, said is building on the achievements of the revised national policy on food safety and quality by introducing key initiatives such as the National Guideline for Sodium Reduction and the National Guideline for Food Handlers, medical tests to improve the nation's food health outcomes. Speaking at an event organized to mark the global commemoration, the Minister of Health and Social Welfare, represented by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, Daju Kachollom, said Nigeria is investing to enhance laboratory testing protocols and digital traceability systems to improve monitoring across the entire food supply chain.
The National Guideline for Sodium Reduction has energized the food industry to begin reformulation of their products for healthier dietary habits among Nigerians, while the National Guideline for Food Handlers Medical Test has begun to elevate the hygiene and safety standards across the food service sector. Together, these measures have mobilized stakeholders and integrated best practices. This marks the beginning of our collective transformation. Looking ahead, we plan to further invest in specialized training programs for regulators and food safety professionals at both national and subnational levels. This science-based approach will strengthen our existing capabilities and equip us to tackle future challenges with confidence. By bridging scientific innovation with practical regulation, we aim to establish new benchmarks in sustainable and inclusive food safety.
The National Coordinator of Food Safety and Quality Program, Dr. John Atada, and Director of Food and Drug Services at the Ministry, Olubumi Aribriana, called for stronger collaboration across sectors.
Food safety is everyone's business, and I enjoin every one of us to heed to the clarion call and be the living ambassadors of food safety in our various communities and environments, as this will be our own way of assisting our country in improving our food safety system. As government, we will continue to develop science-based policies to ensure food safety along the food supply chain.
We all have a role to play at one stage or the other along the food supply chain by applying the best standard practices proven and established by science to ensure the safety and wholesomeness of the food consumed in Nigeria.
Other stakeholders noted the need for science to enable stakeholders to understand how and why food becomes contaminated and provides tools to prevent such risks.
The Federal Ministry of Environment is committed to ensuring environmental health surveillance is put in place, standards for personnel handling food, their facilities and equipment types in food business or ventures are being upheld. Capacity building for environmental health practitioners and food handlers of sound food hygiene and safety is continuous.
While Nigerian food products have in recent years suffered repeated rejection in international export markets due to safety concerns, this year's World Food Safety Day serves as a vital reminder to rally behind scientific standards and regulatory reforms.